A warm welcome to my dear 7th standard students. I am your Max Teacher Sandhya from Bharatidasa Matriculation Higher Secondary School, going to teach 7th standard Max 5th lesson. So you all know what is our 5th lesson name, right? So our 5th lesson name is exponents. What is our 5th lesson name? Our 5th lesson name is exponents. What does mean by exponents? Yes, very good. Exponents means a number is multiplied by itself repeatedly. Like, for example, if you are taking the number 5 into 5. So, a totally 5 multiplied by itself 3 times. So, you should write the answer as 5 power 3. So, a 5 is called the base and 3 is called the exponents or power or index. What is that? Exponents, power or index. And now we are going to see write the exponential notations. Write the exponential notations. So listen my children, before going to the topic, I will ask you some question. So what does mean by multiplication? Yes, very good. Multiplication means that is a repeated addition of the same number. Here we have exponential is there. So what does mean by exponential? Yes, very good. Exponential means that is repeated multiplication of the same number. Repeated multiplication. So what does mean by exponential? Repeated multiplication. Multiplication. So multiplication means that is repeated addition and exponential means that is a repeated multiplication. So listen my children, here 5 multiplied by itself totally how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we should write the answer 5 power 5. 5 power 5. So here we have minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. So here minus 4 totally appeared 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So you should write the answer minus 4 the whole power 1, 2, 3 and then 4. So minus 4 the whole power 4. Next we'll see the another example. Listen here. So our next question is minus 17 into minus 17 into 7 into 7 into 7 and 8 into 8 in 8. Okay. So here minus 7 totally 2 times we have. So write the answer minus 17 square. Minus 17 square. And 7 totally we have 3 times. So you will write multiply by 7 cube. Next 8. Now tell me question 8. 8 totally how many times are there? Yes, very good. 8 totally we have 2 times. So write here 8 square. So this is the answer. And next one we have A into A into A, B into B, C into C. So here totally A appear 3 times. So you should write the answer A cube. Multiply by B appeared 2 times. So you should write the answer B square. Now tell me Purtika, totally see how many times we have here? Very good, totally 2 times. So you should write the answer C square. A cube, B square and C square. So next we will see the another example. Listen here. Next topic is express each of the following as the product of the answer as the prime factors. So before going to the topic, I'll tell what is prime numbers. So what does mean by prime numbers? So prime numbers means a number having exactly 2 factors like 1 and the number itself. So for example, if you are going to take the number 7. So what are all factors 7 have? Yes, very good. 1 and 7. 1 7s are 7 and 7 1s are 7. So 1 to 100 totally we have 25 prime numbers are there and 75 composite numbers are there, right? So in 1 to 10 we have first prime number is 2 and second prime number is 3 and third prime number is 5 and fourth prime number is 7. So first you should use this prime number. If it's possible means do the L division. Otherwise if it is not possible means going to 11, 13, 17. So listen children, now we have the question 850 is there. Yes, we have the question 850 is there. So take 850, do the L division method. 850. So first you are going to take the 2 table. Okay. So 2 table of 8 is 2 table of 8. 2 4s are 8. 4 2s are 8 and 25 2s are 50. 25 2s are 50. So again you will take 2 table. Whether it's possible means it is not possible. Why? Because the number is ends with 5. The number is ends with 5. So next you will take the 5 table. So 5 table means, so 5 table of 42, we have 40 is there. So how many times? 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40 and then 42 minus 40, the answer is 2. 5 5s are 25. So write here 5 5s are 25. So again the number is ends with 5. You should use the table 5 only. Right? 5. 1 5s are 5. So 8 minus 5, the answer is 3. 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. So listen children, finally we got 17 is there. So 17 is a prime number or composite number? Yes, very good. 17 is the prime number. So you will take the table 17 here. Take 17. So 117s are 17. So we got the factors are 850 equal to 2 into 5 into 5 multiply by 17. 2 into 5 into 5 multiply by 17. So here 5 repeats 2 times. So I will write 2 into 5 square into 17. 2 into 5 square into 17. So next we will see the another example. Listen here. So next we have the question 18,000 is there. So first you will take the first prime number. Now tell me Potika, what is our first prime number? Very good. Our first prime number is 2. So take 18,000 and divided by 2. Yes. 2 table of 18? Yes. Very good. How many times? 9 2s are 18 or 2 9s are 18. So here you will write the number 9. 9 2s are 18. So remaining we have 3 zeros are there. So write that 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. And next you should start 2 table. Now 2 table of 9? No, in 2 table we have 8 is there, 10 is there. You will take 8. How many times? 2 4s are 8. So write here 4 2s are 8. So 9 minus 8, the answer is 1. Then you will write 5 2s are 10. 0, 0. So next again you will take 2 table. 2 table, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 2s are 4. So 5 minus 4, the answer is 1. 5 2s are 10 and 0. So listen children, next again you will take a 2 table. Now 2 table of 2 is 1 2s are 2 or 2 1s are 2. So write here 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2, 25 2s are 50. 25 2s are 50. So here the number is ends with 5. So you should start the table 5 table. So take 5 table. Now 5 table of 11. No, we don't have 11. We have 10 is there, 15 is there. So you should take a 10. So 10 how many times? 2 times. Right here 2 5s are 10. So 11 minus 10, the answer is 1. Again here we got a 12 is there. Again you will take a 2 5s are 10. So 12 minus 10, the answer is 2. 5 5s are 25. Again the number is 225. Take 5 table. 4 5s are 20. Now 22 minus 20, the answer is 2. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are the answer is 25. Again the number is ends with 5. You will take 5 table only. Take 5 table. Now tell me Anjali, 5 table of 45? Yes, very good. How many times? 5 9s are 45. So write here 9. Here we got the number is 9. We have the first prime number is 2. 2 table 9 possible means it is not possible. The next prime number is 3 is there. 3 table 9 is possible? Is possible. How many times? 3 3s are 9. So write here 3 3s are 9. So finally we got 3. Take 3. 1 3s are 3. So we have the factors are 2 into 1, 2, 3, 4 2s are there. So write 2 into 2 into 2. And next we have 5 into 5 into 5. 3 5s are there. So write 5 into 5 into 5. And next we have 3 into 3 is there. So write 3 into 3. So listen children, here 2 multiplied by itself totally 4 times. So you will write 2 power 4. And next 5 multiplied by itself totally 3 times. So write 5 power 3. And next 3 multiplied by itself totally 2 times. So you will write 3 square. So this is our answer. So next topic is fill in the blanks. So we have minus 1 the whole power 100, minus 1 the whole power 25. So listen my children, in power we have even numbers. In power, listen, the ending number or unit place, if it is an even number means the answer will be positive. The answer will be positive. So again, if in case you have a odd numbers, the number ends with odd number means the result will be negative. What is that? The result will be negative. So listen here, here we have minus 1 the whole power 100 is there. So 100, here the number is ends with even number. So what is the result? The result will be positive. So write 1 plus 1 multiply by minus 1 the whole power 25. So 25 means here the unit place value is 5. Unit place value is 5. 5 is even number or odd number? That is odd number. So the result will be negative. Take minus 1. So plus into minus minus. 1 ones are 1. 1 ones are 1. So our final answer is minus 1. Next we have minus 1 the whole power 86 is divided by minus 1 the whole power 35. So now only I told you power even number means the result will be positive. So write a plus 1 divided by minus 1 the whole power 35. Here we have the power ends with odd number. So you will get a negative value. Write minus 1. So 1 divided by minus 1, the answer is minus 1. Okay. Listen children, in this session you have learned exponents related topics. I hope everyone enjoyed this session. In this below description we have attached study material, question bank and self-assessment work. So my dear students, do all the exercise problem. If you have any doubt, just go through this video. Thank you.